You're looking for an extra way to make money online through network marketing, and you're looking at Modere wondering what makes this different. Should I join this company? I'd love to learn a little bit more. That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. And if you're not familiar with me, my name is Julie Reynolds. I have been at Modere for 8 years now. I'm a top leader over there, and I've had not only myself had great success, but my team, which is most important, has had great success as well. And I want to share with you 5 reasons why I think Modere is the best network marketing company out there, hands down, right? And I obviously am a little bit biased, but I've been here for a long time. I've done a ton of coaching in the network marketing space, and so I know the ins and outs of many, many companies, and I'm still here for a reason, right? So number 1, I want you to understand that when you're looking for an opportunity, you want one that has different options and different ways to build. And Modere has really broken the mold in terms of the traditional network marketing space, where you don't need to have a team in order to be successful. Modere has what we call a dual-sided comp plan. So it's kind of like affiliate marketing on steroids, where you can earn up to 36% commission on every single order, reoccurring orders month after month after month, and you don't need to have a team in order to be successful. That's like the first of its kind, right? So you can earn the incentive trips, you can get all of the rewards, you can get all of the recognition without having a team. But we also have the team building side of the comp plan. So what we like to say is pick your pay, right? Do you want to just do sales? I have women on my team that sell up to $50,000 plus every single month on our amazing products. Or do you want to build a team and earn the more reoccurring revenue from your team every single month, right? So you get to pick. Or do you want to do both? Most people obviously choose to do both, but you have the option over here, which is amazing. That's number 1. That's really what makes Modere so different than the traditional network marketing space, because usually you need to have a team in order to be successful, where that's not the case over here. The second thing that makes Modere so perfect is our viral products, right? We have products that have gone viral, multiple products that have gone viral on social media, like our trim and our new product called Curb. I'm going to link it right over here for you so you can check out the new product Curb that is blowing up right now. It's a natural GLP-1 and people are having fantastic results from it, right? And so we have viral products, and over 80% of our orders come from customers, not from what we call ourselves as distributors, social marketers. That is also very unheard of in this network marketing space, where most of the consumers are actually distributors, right? But what that means for you when you're looking at it from a business perspective is that you are going to have a ton of customers that love our clean living products, that love our collagen, that love our weight loss products, and love our healthy living products. And they're going to be reordering every single month because of the virality and how well and how good our products are, right? They are backed by science, backed by doctors, double-blinded tests done. They do all of the market. They're very, very clean, and our customers absolutely love them. So that's number 2. Definitely make sure you check out that video over there after you're done watching this so that you can see what all the hype is and why the virality of the product is. Now, if you're like, okay, this sounds like something I'm really interested in the description of this video, what I have for you is I'm gonna have you directly contact me over on Facebook so we can have a chat. So you will see there's a link to contact me. Send me a message. I'm happy to share more information about Modere, see if it's a good fit for you. But I want you to know that number 3 is our culture. Our culture is second to none, especially, I'm a little bit biased again, but especially on my team. We all help each other, sidelines, upline, downlines. It starts at the leadership level where all the top leaders like myself, we share everybody's resources with each other, which is so different than my former company where everybody would feel like there was just like this, we have to keep it all secret and private and we can't share with other teams. That's not the case over here. We all share resources and we share what's working right now, because we have an abundance mentality that Modere as a whole wins when we win, right? And so it's very different than the traditional, I don't want to say petty, but it is kind of petty, other companies have, right? We've created a culture that is second to none. We love to earn our incentive trips. We all hang out together. We all have fun together. And we all share what's working right now. And number 4, the 4th reason why I think Modere is one of the best companies in the network marketing space is it is a monthly consumable product. In my former company, I've been in the industry for about 10 years, and I've been at Modere for many of those 10 years now. But in my former company, what I found was one of the biggest problems. It was an amazing company, great products, great mission, but it wasn't a monthly consumable product. And so I would sell a product and somebody wouldn't need a refill till about 3 or 4 months later. Well, guess what that meant? That meant that I always had to continue to get brand new customers every single month because I knew that I wasn't going to be getting that reoccurring order from my customers. So having a monthly consumable product has been an absolute game changer for my business, for my team's business, because they know that they're going to be getting orders on subscription or not even on subscription every single month that are reoccurring because their customers are going to be using and completing the viral products and they're going to need a refill, right? So that to me has been a no-brainer when it comes to building a business. It has to be a monthly consumable product. So again, in the description of this video, if you want to have a conversation, whether you're brand new to network marketing or maybe you've been in this network marketing space and you're looking for something different because where you're at right now, you're not happy, you're not having the success that you want, whatever it may be, come and message me. I am an open book. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have about Modere, whether it's a good fit for you or not. So definitely make sure in the description of this video, you send me a message. And number 5, the 5th reason why I think Modere is so amazing and so different than your traditional network marketing is that number 1, we build 100% exclusively online. What does that mean? That means that you do this on the nooks and crannies of your day on social media. So a lot of times, like when I'm picking my daughters up from school, I'll jump inside my Messenger, I'll jump inside my Facebook or my Instagram, and I'll quickly send a quick chat while I'm waiting. And so I can build this business in between the nooks and crannies of my day. Yes, I do this full time now, but it wasn't always the case. I wasn't always able to build this as a full-time income. So I was able to do it in the nooks and crannies of my day, and it was absolutely amazing because we teach you how to, number 1, build online, but number 2, we teach you more importantly how to brand yourself and not our company so that you can attract people to you. And we've got an immense amount of training literally every single day to help you every step of the way to success. We have a plug and play system for you to get started over here and get your social media revved up, get your marketing going, and get sales and teammates helping you grow your business, right? And so it's very dialed in over here. It's very unique. It's very different. And quite honestly, it's very amazing. So again, if you have any questions, if you want to have a conversation, in the description of this video, I'm putting a link for you to contact me, but definitely make sure that you subscribe to this video, so this channel, so that you never miss out on another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. Have a great day.